Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to center page numbers in Google Docs. If you want your document to look cleaner and more professional, this tutorial is for you. On your Google Docs dashboard, to center text in Google Docs, all we need to do is highlight everything, or just highlight the specific part we want to center. For example, if we want to center this section, we simply highlight it. Once we have highlighted the part we want to center, we click on the Line and Alignment option. A drop-down menu will appear, and we choose the Center Align option so the text moves to the center. As we type, we will see centered text in our Google Docs. Now we will show you how to align page numbers to the center of the header or footer in Google Docs. We will walk through inserting page numbers and adjusting the alignment settings so the document looks polished and organized. And that's it. Now we know how to center page numbers in Google Docs.